Hello everyone and welcome back to the Victory Forge. Today I'm going to show you how I made my Scout Trooper armor. Let's go! Now the main reason I picked the Scout Trooper, other than it being easy and looking cool, is actually this scene from Season 1 of The Mandalorian.
Hey, how long has it been since that thing moved? I don't know, like a minute or two, don't worry. It's been way longer than a minute. Oh my god. Shouldn't we check and see if it's still alive? You hit it pretty hard. You just want to see it. Well, we should check and see if it's hurt. And the last thing that you want is to give Gideon a bag and have him open it up and find whatever it is. Okay, look, here you go. See? Take a peek. Everything's fine. What is that? I don't know, it's a pet or something. A pet? Ow!
After contacting the 501st Legion Star Wars fan club, I was referred to a designer who had screen-accurate armor pieces, and I also purchased my own Baby Yoda. I printed all of my armor using my FlashForge 3D printer and Hatchbox white and black PLA filament. Up to this point, this would be the single largest project I had made using my 3D printer and the first set of armor. As pieces started coming off the printer, I was able to sand them, make sure there was no sharp edges pressing against my face, fill in any of the print lines or holes, and to start putting the actual pieces of the helmet together. After the assembly of the helmet was finished, I could then sand smooth any of the seams and work on giving the helmet its glossy white finish. With the main body of the helmet finished, I could add the accent pieces and paint in the several grill spots on the front, sides, and ear holes of the helmet. And finally, using some molded Lexan and some window tinting, added the visor for a finished Scout Trooper helmet. At this point, I was still in the process of printing the rest of the armor and did not get it finished in time, so I had to improvise. For the Emperor, we'll try again. Before the next con, the goal was to get a screen-accurate version of the armor, starting with the 4 chest pieces, 4 pieces for the back, 2 more pieces of the backpack, and 2 accent pieces. Now, the chest and back armor are connected both on the shoulders with adjustable shoulder straps and on the sides with adjustable Velcro to hold the bottom pieces of the chest armor together. I attached the 2 shoulder pauldrons to the chest armor to make it one solid piece. The belt consists of a thermal detonator, side containers, buckle plate, and hip boxes, all of which are decorative. The biceps, forearm, and knees use nylon webbing and ladder buckles on slots in the underarmor to secure them to my arms and legs. The next step was to print the EC-17 Scout Trooper pistol, the holster for the pistol, and then attach the holster to the Scout Trooper white boots. With everything printed and assembled, I was able to debut this costume at Anime Nebraska and Halloween, October of 2022. I wasn't at the convention for more than 10 minutes before this rogue group of Mandalorians attempted to rescue the child. So you might be looking at this and saying, well, that's good, but it's not quite screen accurate, is it? Just give us a minute. We got one more thing to do. With some sewing assistance from my mother, voila, we have a Scout Trooper cummerbund and a completed set of armor.
My lord, Stormtrooper. My lord, Stormtrooper. My lord, Stormtrooper. My lord. Yep. My lord. Uh-huh. My lord. Yo. My lord.
And that is the Mark III version of my Scout Trooper armor. I promise there will be a fourth version as I found a few more adjustments to make. That's going to be everything for today here on the Victory Forge. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.